Hi friends, my name is Pragnya.
My name is Nikesh.
Today we are going to do a science experiment. Volcano. So for this you need paints, brown, yellow and red, stapler, paintbrush, scissors, a cardboard that's to like this one. We are using a book,
Water, dish soap, vinegar, baking soda, food color and empty
First
bottle.
we need to fold this as a cone shape, up to your this mouth of the bottle. You need to fold a cone shape like this, and you need to check it as it's correct or not. Okay, it's correct. Now you need to cut this excess. After folding and cutting this, you need to staple it with a stapler. Now we need to staple this at the top also.
Top floor.
Okay, after stapling you need to level it up to your bottles, down to up. So friends, we made this volcanoes that now we did that the down like this and the up. Now I'm going to keep the bottle inside it, and I'm going to just keep it like this. Okay, now we are going to color it. Okay, I'm going to color.
It looks like birthday card.
Yeah. Okay. It's looking not good, but I just started now. So friends, I finally finished this painting of this volcano. See, if your bottle's mouth is not sufficient at this edges, means you can also roll a paper like this and fold it and keep it like this with the rubber bands. Now I'm going to keep this. It's dry. Okay, it's sufficient. Okay, so friends, finally our volcano has finished. It's dry. We kept the tape and this clay at here. So now first you need to take 1/4 cup of water. Now we need to add 2 spoons of dish soap or 1.5 spoon of dish soap. Okay, Nikesh, please. Okay, Nikesh, carefully, but just fastly. Okay, enough.
Wait.
Okay, you can.
It's so
And
nice.
it's enough. Okay, we can add more. Nikesh, add. Oh no! Oh my God! I got you. It's a volcano. Okay.
Yellow color.
Okay, now we need to mix this.
Mix properly. Don't fail.
It's so okay. Before it fall, now we need to add this food coloring. You can add directly in this bottle. Okay. So I'm going to add this mixture in this. For not spoiling this painting, just I'm going to put with this. Actually, before making this volcano, also you can put in that bottle. Yeah, before I tried, but okay, no problem. Oh wow, it's pouring.
Okay.
I did a great job by adding it. Okay. I think so I need to keep this. Now we are going to add some food coloring to it. Nikesh, add. Nikesh, don't. Nikesh, put it fastly. Why you are going to even taking?
I'm
Now
so
we are going
scared.
to add 2 spoons of baking soda.
See properly.
Okay, Nikesh, where another spoon? I can see it. Nikesh, please, Nikesh, you're going to add with this.
No.
Okay, Yeah, overconfidence. Oh, he had it better than me. So friends, now we are going to add vinegar into this thing. I'm so excited to add this.
I do.
Okay. It's the best. I added so much. Wow! It's orange volcano.
Yes, it's so spread.
Oh, there's a bubble over there. Wow, this once we love this. We both like this experiment. It's so nice. We are going to try it again. Sonik, we are going to put again baking soda and the vinegar. This time I'm going to put some less Nikesh, just put it more. So friends, we are going to add vinegar once again. Wow, it's erupting so nice. I like it. I want to do this experiment daily.
Yes.
You can't see it. I'm going to add more. I think so.
Wait.
Oh, when I add it slightly stop. It's going to down. Great work. We are going to add vinegar once again. Third time. Nikesh is going to put. Nikesh, please. Okay?
Properly.
Nikesh, just put it. Okay. It's coming. Wait, guys, it's really coming. Well, it's erupting very lightly. See, it's falling.
This experiment is so nice.
Oh, it's going through this hole. Okay, no problem, but. So friends, if you
If you
like
like
this
this